Good morning, Jerry Hawk 250 here. We're going to talk about my Lifan KPX 250 that I got from Venom Motorsports USA. First of all, this bike is awesome. This is definitely top quality compared to last bikes I've owned. Well, except for my Kawasaki, but it's pretty close in quality. First off, we can start off wheels. I did verify with a magnet these are aluminum, which that is great. You can tell they're thick compared to those steel rims like on the Hawk. And then we got this engine. This is a 249cc 6-speed transmission. Claims 20 horsepower, and you can definitely feel the low end power in this thing. Shifter does have a full-weight shifter. You'll notice here this oil tube. Well, this is going to come in handy because I plan on putting an oil cooler, so I will be able to hook a oil cooler lines up to here instead of doing like I did on my other bikes and going to the drain plug down or drain screen plug at the bottom. I just have to verify the size of these fittings. I think I got some in my shed. But yeah, this is definitely a different engine altogether. It is fuel injected, which makes it nice. Just a tap to start it, cranks right up. Tank, I think I read it was a 3-gallon tank, and I could almost verify it because I just about emptied my 5-gallon can into it, filling it up. It does have emergency flashers, bright light flashers, turn signals, horn. This side is your kill switch, start button, force throttle, and then of course we got the instrument panel. It has a clock on it, gear indicator, which will show right here, tack. Back to the front here. These are some nice projection type LED headlights. They are bright. LED turn signals. Looking at these brake calipers, these brake pads are pretty much the same on all these bikes, the Hawk and so on. In fact, I already got brand new pads sitting in my shed ready for it. There's no air injection on this one because it's fuel injected, I guess. More efficient. There's throttle body, fuel injection. No sight glass on it. It is a dipstick. I did have to put oil in it when I got it. There was a little oil, but not much. So I drained out the old oil, well, the oil was in it, and put some fresh motorcycle oil in it. I did have to mount this rear peg on for the reason they had the one on the other side was on mounted, but this one was off. Rear brakes. Those are a little different. There's a single piston on that one. And like I've discussed in my last video, when you first get this bike, clean off all your brake rotors with brake cleaner. There is an oily film on them. Nice exhaust, and it's really quiet. I was shocked. The video does make them sound a little louder than it is, but it's really quiet. Of course, we got LED turn signals in the back, LED brake light. Was a big old mud guard in the back, but that'll keep the mud off my back. It does have a toolbox with tools in it. One thing I need to figure out is how to get this seat off. I did have a little trouble getting the side cover off to put the battery behind here. Nice big foot pegs. It does have a 520 chain. I haven't counted the teeth on the sprocket yet, but it seems to be geared up pretty good. I'm not sure with the same sprocket as it comes on the Hawk. I have to check that out. I do need to change it, but I don't think I will. It felt good. Wasn't geared too low. And you got the 6-speed, so that helps out on the highway. But I hadn't really a chance to take it on a highway or anything yet. I hadn't got it tagged yet. I'll do that Monday, and then I'll be able to take it out on the highway. I just rode up and down the street. Can't tell if the rear shock's adjustable or not. I'll find that out later on. Nice seat. It does make it a little taller though. I'm 5'10" and I'm on my tiptoes standing on the bike, but you're not standing at the stoplight, you're actually riding, so it doesn't matter. It's just comfortable. Nice soft ride too. Suspension's real cushy. Nice rack in the back. So there wasn't a whole lot of assembly to do on it. Like I said, it's just handlebars and front tire, fender. But yeah, I'm anxious to get out on and ride it. Yeah, don't forget to hit up Venom Motorsports if you're looking for a nice bike. It actually has a 250cc engine and 6-speed and fuel injected. You can use cost code JerryHawk250 and get extra $50 off any bike or ATV as long as it's over $600. And don't forget to check out ChinaRiders.net. You can learn a whole lot about all these bikes. Great bunch of guys on there. Please like and subscribe.